Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Welcome our grade 4s for today's home science lesson. I hope you're fine. Now today we're going to learn how we use and conserve fuels at home. How we use and conserve fuel at home. Now we have been looking at fuel, different types of fuel, and now we are going to learn how we use them and conserve. So we can remind ourselves what is a fuel? What is a fuel? Yes, remind us. Anything that burns to produce heat, energy or light. So anything that burns to produce either heat, energy or light is referred to as a fuel. Now, when we use these fuels for the purposes that we do, for example, we said different fuels can be used for cooking. Another use of fuel. Yes, heating ourselves, heating the house. Good. Another use. Yes, lighting. Good. It is important for us to remember that some of the fuel that we use cannot continue being there forever if we don't take care of it. And so, whenever we are using the fuel, we must use it in a manner that conserves it. Now, somebody will ask, what is to conserve? What is to conserve? What does it mean? Try. Yes, to use something properly. Good. Somebody else? Attempt. Using something without wasting. So all those are good ideas. Now to conserve means using something without wasting it. Using something without wasting. So you use it in a manner that you're going to spare it for some other time. And it is important that we conserve fuel. Why? Because as you have said, some of this fuel has an end. It is not limitless. It has a limit, and if you don't take care of it, you will not have any fuel to use. So let's look at some of the fuels that you have mentioned and how we can conserve them. For example, we have electricity. So how can we save on electricity? How can we conserve electricity at home? Yes, very good. By using energy saving bulbs. So that is one of the ways that we can conserve electricity at home or in any place that you are, using energy saving bulbs. Another way we can conserve electricity. Yes, try. Good. Switching off the lights when not in use. You switch off the lights when you are not using them. So that is one way of conserving electricity. Another way we can conserve electricity is by using the natural light, using the natural light that is the sun, and the moon, maybe at night. Instead of having ourselves lighting all the security lights, if the moon is shining, let's use that light to see wherever we are going or what we are doing. We have paraffin. Paraffin. Now, how can we conserve paraffin? Now, paraffin is mostly used for cooking. It's mostly used for cooking. So, how can we conserve it when we are doing this activity of cooking? One is by covering food when it starts boiling. So that is one way of conserving the paraffin. Because what will happen? The food will boil faster if you cover it because of the pressure. So that will make once the food boils quickly, it will get cooked fast, and therefore you will conserve the fuel that you are using there. Another way of conserving fuel is by using a wide bottom container, a wide bottom container to put your paraffin, or container to put the paraffin. So your stove should have a wide bottom, and that one will make sure that you will save a lot of paraffin whenever you are cooking. Another form of fuel is the firewood. How do we conserve firewood? How do we conserve firewood? Yes, help us with that one. How do we conserve firewood whenever we are using it? Yes, somebody says that for firewood, we make sure that we use dry firewood to cook. We use dry. Why? Once you use dry firewood to cook, it will burn quickly, and whatever you are preparing will get cooked quickly, and you will not require to use more and more firewood. So once you use dry firewood, you will prepare your meals quickly. Another thing is that once you finish cooking or warming yourself with the firewood, and there are pieces that are left, you can extinguish and burnt pieces of firewood. You extinguish the unburnt pieces of the firewood, and from there you can start with the piece that was unburnt the following day when you come to light your fire. We have another fuel, that is gas. How do we conserve the gas? Yes, by making sure that there are no leaking pipes or spots or points over the gas. So if you make sure that there isn't any part that is leaking, I'm sure that gas that you have will take you for a longer time. Another way is whereby when cooking, use a wide-based sufuria. Now, what is the purpose of a wide-based sufuria? Once you put it on the gas itself, assuming that is our gas, you put it there, it will cover the whole place, it will cover the whole area, and there won't be any heat that will get lost. There won't be any heat that will get lost as you are preparing your items. So therefore, as we can see, there are many ways that we can use to conserve the different fuels that we have. So it is important that you use the fuel that you have wherever you are, whether at home, whether at school, or at any other point, and use the different ways to conserve your fuel so that you may have it lasting longer. And remember also that we can mix the different ways of conserving our fuel. You can borrow one way of conserving fuel from another type of fuel and bring it to the one that you want to conserve. Otherwise, make sure you use your fuel properly wherever you are, at home, at school, and you will have it lasting longer. Have a good time. I hope we meet during the next lesson. Bye-bye.